Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm pretty excited because anybody knows I've been experimenting and trying to find new makeup products after 5 years of using the same skincare and makeup from the same company, and now I'm looking for new products that are vegan and cruelty free. And one of the companies that I wanted to explore was KVD Beauty. So anywho, that was one of the companies I wanted to explore just because all of their products are vegan and cruelty free, plus a lot of the products actually have packaging that is made to be completely recyclable, so that's really cool. And after all of these years with just using the same company, lots of these products are so different and so new, so I feel like I'm a newbie with makeup trying to fumble my way through. But I did get in the mail, I got a nice cute package here and 2 lipsticks. So these are the KVD Epic Kiss, and I have to put on my glasses to tell you the colors. Both and, which is really gonna be cool. And this one is Grrrowl. Ooh. So anyways, that's what we have there. So I thought we'd play around with them and I could show you and see what I think. Right, so it has this pretty little container. It's nice and small and thin and slender. Here it is. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. So I'll put some on my hand so you can see. It's like almost like a hot pink. It's really pretty. Okay, so there's a Grrrowl, and then let's open up the other one, and this one is the both and. I think that's what it was called. Man, do I have to put on my glasses again to see? I hate that. Yeah, both / and. I don't understand that name. But anyways, all right, and this one is also very pretty. Let's see, put some on my hand. Ooh, it's more of like a ruby type red type color. It's really deep. So I'm gonna go for the pink one just because I like pinks a little bit better than reds. But this is like almost like a cranberry red, and this is like a really pretty hot pink. It looks different when I look up into the camera than it does in the mirror. It looks like, I don't know, it just looks different. It looks more like an orangey type red when I zoom in, but that's not how it looks in real life. In real life, it's much more of like a bright hot pink color. Anyways, I like it. It feels good and smooth on my lips, and it went on easy. It was actually, I liked the applicator. I liked the design of it. It was really easy to put on. So overall, I think like that's probably like a 7 out of a 10. Only 7 because while I like it, it feels good. I could tell right away that, you know, it's gonna smear everywhere, you know, like it's very easy to tell that. So I know it's gonna get everywhere. So I would like to find something that would stay put on my lips a little bit better, but I would give it definitely 7 out of 10, and it's a fun, pretty color. I could take it off and put on the other color. Okay, let me try to do that without making a mess. I'm scared it's gonna go everywhere. I don't know, maybe I won't do that. Maybe I'll just add the other color on top. Let's just add the other color on top and see what happens. I actually like adding the other one on top because it makes it look a little bit more of a cooler tone. I tend to like to go with cooler tones than warmer tones. So I kind of liked that because the second color just like gave it a little bit more coolness, not quite as warm. So I like it. I don't know if I would buy any more of these. If I saw a really pretty color, I probably would, but I definitely want to try some other lipsticks as well. So please keep watching because I like have an endless amount of content. And if you have any suggestions of different kinds of vegan makeup or skincare that you think I should try because you use it and you like it, please put it in the comments. Or if there's just something that you've been meaning to try and you're like, oh, I don't want to, put that in the comments and I'll try it out and I'll tell you what I think. And we're just gonna kind of start building my makeup surplus. I guess that's kind of a weird name to say, makeup surplus, but that's what my old makeup was. I have so much of that same kind of makeup and skincare from my old company, so I kind of would like to build some more from, like, you know, I need to rebuild all of that. Please give me a like. I appreciate it. Since I'm new, it's gonna help me out. And subscribe if you want to see what I'm gonna do on this new makeup and skincare journey. And thanks for joining. Bye.